In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your project as an image in Balsamiq, a process that only takes about 5 minutes. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type Balsamiq into the search bar. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. This step is all about getting to the right place to start the process. Once you've performed your search, look at the search results and click on the first link, or the one that matches the URL balsamiq.com. This will ensure you're navigating to the official Balsamiq site, which is crucial for accessing the full suite of features Balsamiq offers. After you've reached the site, it's time to log in. If you have a Balsamiq account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first. Logging in gives you access to your projects and the ability to use all the exporting features Balsamiq provides. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to access the export dialog. Whether you're using Balsamiq Cloud or the desktop version, this next step is where the options start to branch out slightly. In Balsamiq Cloud, navigate to the Project menu, then select Export. If you're working with the desktop version, you'll go to the File menu and select Export. Both routes lead to the export options you need. Once you're in the Export dialog, you'll see various options for exporting your project. Specifically, look for the tab labeled PNG. Click on it. PNG is a versatile image format, ensuring that your wireframes are saved in high quality without taking up too much space. After selecting the PNG tab, you have the option to customize your export settings. Here, you can decide whether you want to export all of your wireframes within the project or just a specific subset. This flexibility allows you to tailor the export process to suit your current needs, whether you're saving a single wireframe or the entire project. Finally, click the Export button, and a file dialog will pop up, prompting you to choose where on your computer you'd like to save the image file. Select a convenient location, perhaps a project folder or your desktop, so you can easily find the exported image later. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily save your Balsamiq project as an image. This method is not only quick and efficient, but ensures that you have a high-quality image ready for presentation or further use. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.